In this short lecture, we are going to be discussing the film viewing forms that you will be doing for each of the movies we watched this semester. The reason I'm including a lecture with this instead of just the prompt is I want you to understand how important these are. These are going to equal to be a good chunk of your grade. And I want to make sure you understand what I am looking for in the film viewing forms. What you will see for each of the films on Blackboard, there'll be a PDF up on the week's folder with a blank film viewing form. You can do this in multiple ways. You can just download the PDF and you can edit the PDF, and that way you can add spaces to it. Or you could copy that information into whatever word processor you use, such as Microsoft Word, and then you can upload that. And so for each of the forms, what you will do is when it's due, you'll see in the folder for that week, there will be where you can upload the form. Please do not print this out and handwrite the form and then submit an image of the handwritten form. These need to be typed in some way. Again, whether you're editing the PDF or if you're typing it into a word processor. So the requirements of every film viewing form. This is to show that you've actually watched and engaged with the film. The first things I want are the title, the director, the year, and the genre of the film. Then I ask you to summarize what the film is about. Again, like any work in this class, this needs to be your own original work. And I don't want with this, don't go to IMDb or Wikipedia or whatever and look at the summary of the film. I want this in your words, and I want a summary of what is happening in the film. Now, it doesn't need to be every single minute detail, but it needs to have very specific information in it that shows it's obvious you watched the film. So if you just said, for example, Nosferatu, if we watched the 1922 Nosferatu, and your summary is, it's a retelling of the Dracula novel. That's obviously not going to be enough. I want specific information there. The next one is who are the main characters. This needs to be more than just their names. Say something about who they are. So for example, again, in Nosferatu, you could list, the characters, the different characters' names, but then you need to say a little bit about who they are, right? What is their role in the film? Then your favorite scene. Talk about what is your favorite scene and why. Not having a favorite scene is not acceptable. You need to talk about, a scene very specifically, right? Not just, I liked when the vampire appeared. Not enough, right? You need to talk about a scene specifically and talk about why that is your favorite scene. Then I ask you to discuss one cinematic technique in the film and how it created an idea, impression, mood, and so on. Again, this needs to be specific. If you can, try to use something from the material of that week's class, but that's not a requirement. An example of this, again, you need to be specific. It's not enough to say, a cinematic technique used was the music, and the music helped set the mood. That is much, much too general. You need to go into much more specific information. Saying things like, color was important because it helps set the mood. Again, that is way too general. You need to be specific here. And then finally, I have you list one question you had about the film. This can be maybe something you didn't understand or something where you're questioning what the director did. But please don't list things such that shows, you haven't watched the film. I've had students in the past be like, I wonder if they end up together. Well, if you watch the film, you would know. So again, this is to help you with the film viewing forms. These are important. And again, it's a way for you to show that you have watched the film in detail. Again, this needs to be your own original work. If you go out and ask AI to summarize the film for you and you cut and paste that's academic dishonesty. If you go to IMDb and you copy and paste the summary from there, that is plagiarism. This needs to be your own original work and it needs to be specific.